Dukot na dukot ang ating luto po.
When the woman menopause, and then they have period.
Babe, I'm eating.
Oh.
Guys, good afternoon. Nagluto ko kuan guys, nagkaakanin ba. Tapos pinadukot ko. Sige, ikuan na to ha. Atong ibubo diri ha. Ay. Ayan, dukot na dukot. Dukot na dukot ang ating luto po. Kain tayo ng abot. Ewan ko kung anong sa Tagalog itong masunog na nasusunog na kanin. Pero talagang sinusunog ko guys kasi sa Bisaya. Dukot yan. Yan, dukot. Kain tayo ng dukot. Of course, hugasan natin yung ating kasi mangingitim na ako po. Ayan, may may dukot tayo po. Ang sarap-sarap ng dukot. O, diba? Kain tayo ng dukot. Nagtagiktik guys, oh. Ang ating dukot. Ayan. Ayan. Ay! Ayan, sarap ng kanin. At saka meron tayong chicken liver. Who wants to eat chicken liver? My husband said, I don't eat chicken liver. He said, I'm not a liver. Kain tayo ng ating dukot. So, in Filipino, a lot of Filipino eat this burning part of the rice. Lami siya. Masarap siya. My husband doesn't eat this. Umaasok-asok pa talaga yung ating shout out to my husband does not eat this chicken liver. So ako na lang kakain. Mainit. Kalakon ko ba ay yung dukot bago pang this is our lunch natin to at saka yan lang ang kainin natin. Today is Saturday and this is the only rice I ate the whole week. The whole week guys. Hindi ako kumakain hindi kami nagkakanin kasi ang kanin naman hindi hinahanap ng aking ng aking asawa at saka aking anak. So wala kaming rice. Kaya yung 20 pound na rice, abutan namin yan na 4 na buwan. Yeah, 4 months. 4 months, good for 4 months yung namin, yung isang 20 pound of rice. Kasi hindi kakain sila ng rice. Ang anak ko lang kung minsan. Ang anak ko kakain siya ng rice. Ang asawa ko kakain yun pero hindi nila yung hanap-hanapin guys. Hindi nila yung hanap-hanapin yung rice. Ako minsan-minsan lang.
Kakain ako na once a week. Pakainin natin ang bibi ng asawa ko. My husband wants to eat rice and liver.
What did you do with all the stuff?
Huh?
What did you do with all the stuff?
What is it, babe?
What did you do with all the shoes and stuff?
I have it.
Okay.
Very old. No, the thing, I put it at the top of the attic. Right there, babe? The closet. I put it in the closet. At the top. When it goes to the Philippines. Thank you for our clothing donations from Miguel and family. Those clothes are going to Africa and Philippines and for me. It's a lot of shoes. Hindi man tayo mag-donate ng high heel sa ano sa Pilipinas kasi magturok-turok.
They don't fit me, dear.
Huh?
They don't fit me.
It doesn't fit my husband.
Oh, shucks.
I say his favorite shoes was the high heel, blue high heel.
No.
He said, get that devil out from my face. Your mother did not cook liver before?
Oh, yeah.
How come you're not eating?
Don't like it?
You don't like the texture or you don't like liver
Don't like
itself?
the taste?
Oh, the taste? So maybe the texture.
Yes, my mom would torture us with everything. With
It's
the
not-
goat, with the eyeball, everything.
I don't know about the goat with the eyeball.
Well, I'm telling you.
Have you? They roasted it?
I don't know what she did. When you're a little boy, you come home, there's a goat with the eyeball on the table. Not inviting.
Well, goat is good. So make it a soup.
Everything pretty
Put
much.
a lot of tanglad. Put a lot of lemongrass. Lemongrass.
Oh my goodness.
Goat head. Oh my god, it's so good. Where did she get goat head?
I don't know, from the goat. Next question.
From the goat, of course, it's not from the dragon.
Well,
Yeah? My husband eat pasta. They eat like that. Pasta.
look, and it's even hot. 1 minute.
Good, very good.
And oh, there's my wife with the dehydrated toe big. Drink some water, woman.
Headache, huh? I have a headache this morning.
Besides your husband.
Headache. I'm going to share with this. I have a friend of mine that she's a doctor in the Philippines. M.S. Chato, but she's working with me. Right now, Bears is working with me. She's my treatment nurse. When the woman menopause, and then they have period.
Babe, I'm eating.
Oh, excuse me. We cannot eat and talk something about that.
You can.
No, she just said that you have to see the doctor because it's not good. Because the woman, they have early stage of cancer, like pelvis cancer. So it's important for the woman to get a pap smear. Period, that's it. That's what she said. So like me, I'm a hard-headed. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Sa ating dukot. Bye-bye guys.